seeing all these Disney Cruise Line buses, and I'm thinking,
did you forget that we're in Orlando? Disney, everything, everywhere.
Right. You don't even have to go on a cruise line on the Disney cruise ships to go on a cruise line bus. I took one of those.
Yeah, Charlie, it's not a 7.5, unfortunately. I think it's an A320.
Okay. From Orlando.
I think it's in the U.S.
Oh, that fence ruined this.
Yeah.
And touchdown.
Else on final behind it.
There's 3 on final.
3.
Well, 2 on final now.
1.
Yeah, that's an A320.
2. I can't see the other one. Maybe it's behind the cloud or whatever.
What's the airline? I think it's an Air Canada.
I'm pretty sure this is American. Wait.
I think it's Air Canada Rouge. Yeah.
Air Canada Rouge. Oh, crap.
It's a Rouge.
I'm going Rouge right now.
That doesn't work.
Turn right next taxi, contact ground 28.
Exit, ground 28, have a good day. Thanks for the runway change.
You're welcome.
Oh, nice. That high-speed taxiway exit. Oh, never mind.
I just got a Rouge on, I just got Rouge.
Charlie, what's on final? Alrighty, thank you. In Boston, Air Canada Rouge has CRJ-9s flying.
On final, followed by a MD-80, I believe.
757 on final. Oh.
37.
Alrighty then.
Looks like a 737 on final, and then there's a something else on final.
Yeah, that's definitely a 7.3. Oh, poopy. It's a little blurry, but you can still look at the general shape of the aircraft and you can just tell.
On the one that's long final, I can tell there's lights all over the place.
You got nose lights and wingtip lights.
Yep, right.
Yeah. Oh, here we go. I'm glad I'm getting these shots, but I'm really mad about the fence. Oh my God, Air Canada Rouge just got in my way.
When does it not get in your way?
Wow. Whatever.
I'm sorry.
No, it's okay.
I hear a prop over there too, I think.
I'm not gonna record the MD-80 arrival. If I want to record an MD-80 arrival, I can easily do that in Daytona.
Oh yeah, it's the new
Has
American.
further information available for Florida and coastal waters. For more information, contact Highwatch, Flight Watch, or Flight Service frequency. American 195, turn right there, contact ground.
Who's the VFR traffic that just got told that?
No.
No, when you get told to monitor Highwatch, Flight Watch, and Flight Service frequencies, I'm like, okay, who's VFR right now? Who's the lucky SOB who got VFR sequencing into Orlando McCoy International Airport?
Everybody's VFR today, isn't it?
Honestly. Oh, I will, again, like I said, I don't really care for the airline much, but that paint scheme, oh.
Yeah, American is okay.
Meh.
They're a bunch of asses.
Hey, Charlie knows where it's at.
Amen.
My dad came over last week.
Wait, that's a 737-300.
What happened?
Maybe.
My dad came
No,
over
the
last
one that's
week.
on final right now.
Yeah.
I gotta go to the restroom. I'll be back.
I'm listening.
Alrighty.
And what happened?
Let's see, I'll try to catch that arrival.
To the lounge, even though it's first class.
What?
Because he's going from Orlando to Chicago. And
Okay.
then Chicago and out.
Yeah.
It's not an international flight.
Touchdown.
And yet he was still flying first class and they wouldn't let him in the lounge?
Yep,
Dude, that's BS.
very much so.
That's not cool, man. Sorry about that.
Southwest 2176, turn right when able, contact ground 28.
Alright, ground 28, only exit. Thank you, Southwest 2176.
Good for you. I barely tell the difference between Boeing and an Airbus. I know one's pointier.
Exactly.
That's an E190, isn't it?
No, it's an A320.
A320.
I can confirm that.
I think.
No sharklets.
Aw, that sucks.
Hey, I'm disappointed too. Trust me, that would have made for an even better shot.
Right? Oh well.
Can any of the photographers give me a word on if there's a box truck? Oh shit! Watch out! Watch out, buddy. I'm gonna be twisting to the left. Oh, beautiful. Up, another classic livery.
tower.
Okay. Don't get in my way, boy. I'm kidding.
Yeah.
Yeah.